Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer data from a previous device to your Realme 16. Okay, as you can see, we're doing the setup process. We just gotta click this arrow. First, select your language, then click on Next. Select your region, and also click on Next. In here, also Next. And we have the feature that we're interested in, setup using another device. As you can see on my previous device, an option for the setup has appeared. If it doesn't, don't worry. On your Realme, select the device type, Android or iPhone. Of course, that's the type of your previous device. And then a code will appear, a QR code on the Realme, and you will have to scan it using your previous device. Let's click on Setup. And now we need to scan this code. Okay, as you can see, our Realme is automatically connecting to the Wi-Fi. Now we gotta keep waiting, it's going to take a little bit. In my case, I also need to draw my lock screen pattern that I have on my previous device to continue the setup. Okay, now I need to verify by typing the password to the Google account that I'm copying from my previous device to my Realme. Okay. Click on Next. And now, you can set up your eSIM and insert your SIM card right now. It's not necessary, you can always click on Skip and do it later. Okay, copy apps and data. That's the thing that we wanted. Click on Next. Okay, devices has okay. Now it worked. I mean, they have disconnected for a while, but everything should be okay. Sometimes it happens. Okay, and now choose what you want to copy. We can copy apps, messages, call history, photos and videos, and also the device settings. When it comes to the things such as Google Calendar, Contacts, Photos, and Gmail, they are synced automatically. In my case, I would like to copy everything except the apps, and also photos and videos, so it won't take that long. Okay, again, something they are disconnected. Okay, and then if you have selected everything that you want, click on Copy. Okay, now select your unlock method. You can add the password, fingerprint unlock, and the face unlock. You can also skip it. and do it later in the settings, so don't worry if you don't do it now. When it comes to Google services, simply scroll down and hit the accept button. Now we have backup services. They're pretty useful. I always turn them on, but it's up to you. It's your device. Now click on next. Select your default browser. Always pick Google Chrome. And now select your default search engine. Always pick Google. Now we have the Gemini. Click on next. If you click on turn on, you'll be able to launch the Gemini by simply saying the sentence, "Hey Google." I don't want that, so I'll click on no thanks. Okay. 60% of the copying process, so we gotta keep waiting. Okay, copying is finished. We can click on done. And here we can click on close. I can take off the old device. I don't need it anymore. Okay, click on more. I agree. Agree. Select the navigation method. All set. Hit the button. And now we are ready to use our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.